Hello, friends. Let's learn English with a short and fun story about Melisa. How to make friends at university. It is the beginning of a new study year. The university is full of students again. Some students are meeting their old friends. Other students are here for the first time. Today, there is a Welcome Week student club fair at the university. There are many colorful tables in the main hall. Students can learn about sports clubs, art clubs, language clubs, music clubs, and volunteer groups. Melisa enters the building and looks around. She is wearing a white sleeveless top, a colorful flowered skirt, and comfortable white shoes. Melisa walks slowly through the hall. She sees a girl standing alone near the drinks table. The girl is looking at a university map. Melisa walks toward her. Hi, are you new here too? Yes, I am. It is my first year. I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you, Sophie. I'm Melisa. Nice to meet you too. What do you study? I study art and design. What about you? I study communication and media. That sounds interesting. Do you like writing? Yes, I do. I love writing short stories, but I usually don't show them to other people. Really? I love reading stories. Maybe you can show me one someday? Maybe. Do you want to join a club? Yes, but I don't know which club to choose. There are so many clubs here. Later, Melisa and Sophie walk to the university newspaper table. A friendly student named Daniel welcomes them.
Hi, do you like writing, photography, or social media?
I like writing. I like reading, taking photos, and meeting new people.
Great! We need students with different interests. You don't need experience. We meet every Wednesday afternoon.
What do students do in the club?
We write articles, talk to students, take photos at university events, and share stories online. Our first meeting is next Wednesday. You can both come.
Melisa and Sophie write their names on the club list. After that, they get some juice and sit near a large window. I'm happy you said hello to me. I didn't know anyone here. It can be hard to meet new people. Yes, but it gets easier after the first question. Sophie takes out her phone. Would you like to exchange phone numbers? Of course. They save each other's phone numbers. A few minutes later, Melisa leaves the event. She feels different now. When she arrived, she felt shy and alone. But one simple hello helped her meet Sophie and join a new club. Making friends can start with one small conversation. You can smile and ask one easy question. Are you new here? What do you study? Or, which club do you want to join? You do not need perfect English. You only need to be brave and say hello. Sometimes one small conversation can start a beautiful friendship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.